Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I am your host Martin, and this episode we are gonna be talking about Bitcoin trying to break 42,000. Now, if you are catching the stream live, welcome. And if you are catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, you hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, when the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right now. You want to go out there? We'll paste it right now. We'll paste it and we'll pin it to the top of the chart. We're going to keep tonight's stream short. I have a little bit of a headache. I was hoping it was going to go away by the time the stream started, but it isn't. We're going to keep the stream a bit short. I think it's too much screen. Hey y'all, how's it going? Now, thank you for being here. El Producto MA, Kato Eno, legendary. Man. For War, what's up? Guys, thank you all for being here and being awesome supporters of this channel. What's up to y'all? Let's move on to the screen where the magic happens. Let's go check out the Bitcoin and see where it's at. Start with market cap. What is happening with the market cap? It is pumping a bit, right? It did go pump yesterday, pumping through 0.96%, getting above the 382, which we talk about potentially trying to break. Remember, talking about potentially trying to break that area. Finally broke it. We're getting a little bit of a retrace right now. It's too early to tell. It is going to be Saturday. It is going to be the weekends. We might get a slow weekend where we're just slowly do move down or something, right? We do know sometimes the weekends tend to move down. We'll see what's going to happen. We are bought 68.91. Yesterday we were also bought at 69.82. So nothing too bad. There's nothing bearish here. Last thing we have is the bullish divergence. Strong, and we are running on that strong bullish divergence. So let's move on to Bitcoin and figure out what is happening there. Bitcoin on the daily for dominance. It gained dominance yesterday, 1.45%, means that it pumped more than the other projects. And today's going down 0.26, meaning it's going down a little bit more than alts. And it is. Bitcoin in general is going down 0.7%, and alts are just going down 0.18%. So look at Bitcoin. We know its price is at above 40,906, which is an area that we're struggling with. Finally broke above. Remember, we talked about this move yesterday. We said we cannot go higher if we don't pull back down a little bit and get a little more strength to run through that. We said it yesterday or 2 days ago. But we did talk about this, right? We said we need to pull back down a bit, grab a little bit of room to run, and then pump. And that's what we did. We're pumping. So we're still making green days. Not really happy about that. You're going to say, well, how can you not happy about green days? We're not getting a lot of pressure relief. We're not getting pullbacks. That is not healthy. Right? That comes with bad crashes. Let's see how this keeps on recovering. We are above that 40,000. We're heading for 42,900, which is where I have my next resistance. It's going to be up here, 40,996, which it's fine. There's nothing bearish happening. Overbought at 73.39. We're finally overbought here on the daily. I do want to check something else out here real quick. Just let me open this here on the side. Bring it over for the corn. And look at this, Bitcoin. This is something I hadn't looked at in a couple days. Bitcoin is above 200 moving average on the daily. That is good. That's really good. We're still following that uptrend that we had drawn, right? Not quite precisely how we had drawn it, but we're following that up motion, which is fine. So Bitcoin going up a bit, then we might see some kind of stagnation, maybe around this area before we try to turn back down. We will see if that happens. We're gonna have resistance overhead at the 200 simple moving average. We're above the 200 exponential. So it's gonna be nice, right? Yeah, it's nice, right? You're tired of hodling. It's all good. There's time for everything, right? So Bitcoin above 200 moving average on the daily. That is pretty good. So let's keep moving. Let's go check out this other area. Where are we at, man? We are trying to break this area. And I said Bitcoin above 42,000 has a chance to come up to this area, right? We're up here. That's what we're doing, right? We're going to try to probably go for a measure move, that $49,000 mark. Let's see if we can get up there. There are resistances. It's not going to be an easy shot, but there are resistances. So we broke out of that area, that rectangle, which is fine. Now we're starting to move back up. Great. 42,996. And that's it. Price to beat above there, 43, then 45, then 46, then 48, then 49. I know it's a lot of them in quick succession, but that is where we found areas that we turn around or either held support, right? That's why they are there. And they come from, data that we just generated. So some of them might not play out as strong. We're going to go seeing as we start moving whether or not we start getting above those areas. Yes, 42. Close, right? 42. We did get above it. We're slightly below it right now, but not too bad. Yeah. Low to high, high to low. Starting to create some bearish divergence. Look at this. $48K before serious resistance. Well, there's got to be resistance on the upside. We still have not broken the 42,900, which is the area that I have that Bitcoin needs to break to go somewhat into what we can consider to be bullish. At least we're above the 200 moving average, which is good. That is a good thing. Hopefully we're able to sustain above that 200 simple moving average and keep on moving higher. We are bought at 67.46, pointing slightly down, so we might move down here on the price. So that's what we're getting, but we could come back down to 40,906. We're having bearish divergence. Just keep in mind, we are starting to develop this new positive momentum island. It's not developed yet. We're starting to develop it. Here's the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, low to high, positive or positive, and low to high. There's nothing bearish. Now, that being said, there's also nothing bullish. We had hidden bullish on the 4 hour. This hidden bullish that we're looking for here, we still held on to that there. As you can see, we're dropping. And by the time we got that drop, we also created that hidden bullish divergence here on the 4 hour against the RSI. And that is part of the reason that we started on this rally, right? We don't have anything on the 1 hour. It is fine, but we'll see. We'll see. Flagging sideways right now. Not too bad. New hour open. Trying to see how it's going to go. Overbought 72.23. Which is simple stuff. Now we're going to start consolidating a little bit. before we move again. Depending on how we consolidate, it's gonna determine where we could go. Usually if it's downsloping, we could be looking for action to the upside. If it's upsloping, we tend to look for action to the downside, right? So, on that note, Gavin, what?
Much love to you, bro. Just wanted to pop in and let everyone know I'm still alive.
Jesus.
I'll be back soon enough, smile.
Bro, thank you very much for that. That is awesome, dude. Where is this thing? Where is the soundboard? Here we go, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Gavin. I appreciate it. We missed you. We miss you. So awesome that you're here, man. That is really cool, man. Gavin Hive, dude. You guys were asking for Gavin a while back. He's alive, so it's all good. So cool, man. Preparing for war, legendary. I know, May. Yes, Seamus is out already. We got the Seamus. That's so awesome. Right. It's going higher and higher. Overbought at 73.93.
I'm still alive too.
Oh, yeah, there you go, man.
Make clear.
Dude, the L tag. That is really, really cool. Lacquer in the house. All right, getting an L tag. Does that dude ever get tired of saying Oh man, that is really cool. Lacquer hard, dude. Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Gavin, for the kind donations, man, and Lecker. That is really cool. Let's keep rolling, man. Bitcoin, again, there's nothing bearish right now. It's still pumping a bit, which is fine. Not too bad. Let's keep on checking this out, man. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, $2,460, man. $2,460. We had the bullish divergence. We've been running since. Finally broke above the 2,300 area. We are moving back. Play the last tip again. Oh, bro, and I'll play it in a bit. I mean, I'll play it before the stream ends. There's gonna be too many L's, and it's gonna make me laugh so much. My cheeks already hurt from laughing. I haven't laughed in a long time, I guess. Dude, crazy, man. It's still going up, right? Come on. Yeah, 51% taking the like button. If you guys like the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Still going up. Look at this. Yesterday, back testing support, bouncing up again. Now we should be aiming for 2,620, and with that, Bitcoin should be trying to get above that $4,300 mark and feeling back bullish, right?
How you doing? Gone ask for a request in chat. Do know it's late.
Don't want. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated, dude. That is awesome.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Jesus, oh man, you guys are poking the bull, man. Oh, bro. I think he just types his message and just writes as many L's as possible, bro. Gavin in the house, man. Gavin high. Dude, how many? It feels longer than usual. Like, that's way too many L's. I think Gavin hacked it, and now it does like double the amount of L's it used to do. There we
Audience,
go.
say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Oh, bro, that's crazy. I know, that guy must be great at pleasing. Low to high. Dude, I think if I did that, my tongue would be so tired from so many L's. It's insane, bro. What the hell? Oh, man. Low to high. Oh, there's nothing bearish here on the daily. That's fine. Ethereum's still doing good, man. Ethereum's still doing good. Oh, Rune? All right, we'll put X Rune on the list, bro. I'll do it right after Ethereum, right? That's insane, man. There we go. That's really cool. Right on. Yeah, but don't want to give a donation. Then he says, I don't, how you doing? Gonna ask for a request. All right, that's fine. So that's what I'm gonna do right after. RSI looks good. Volume's promising. Yeah, right. That's what we're looking at. Volume is not that bad. Going higher, we're looking for bearish divergence. That is fine, right? We had it. We still made it there. We moved down already and pumping at fine support near the 20. Moving average. That is fine. Still going higher, slightly higher, and then high to low here, right? It's not too bad here. Strong bearish divergence in this last bit. So we're starting to see this thing that might start to put some pressure on the price and try to make it go down, man, right? We'll see how the weekend comes to be, right? The weekend should give us a clear idea as to how next week probably will go, right? We might get a rest. It'll be nice if we get some slight sideways motion, consolidate a little bit. Every day we've just been getting action to the upside. We only consolidated for a day. We need to get some consolidation. Nothing pumps forever, man. Nothing pumps forever. If we don't relieve pressure, it's not going to be that good, man.
I made more longing BTC than my full-time job for 2 months pay LM.
Oh, Jake, come on, bro. That is awesome. Thanks, man. Dude, what the hell, bro? All right, dude. All right. We'll do this one, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You make more longer than good currently your full-time job in 2 months pay. That is pretty good, man. That is freaking good, Jake. I'm happy for you, brother. I'm happy for you, man. I'm really, really glad you took that long and you did really good with it, man. That is so awesome. Now, don't go doing 100x on something else now that you got it, right? Right. So we have this bullish divergence here. Hidden bullish. Pumping on that. That is great. Starting to create some strong bearish here on Ethereum, right? Look, high to low. Jeez, man, that was pretty wild, dude. It's a good stream so far. It's a good Friday, man. It's a good Friday. Bullish. Strong bearish right now, right? Against the MACD and the RSI. Look at that. So again, starting to build things that put pressure on the price. Put pressure on the price. With that, we might see the prices go down a bit. So we'll see how this behaves and how it keeps on going, right? Consolidating up sloping. Usually that tends to break back down again. We'll see. Ethereum's not doing that bad. I'm happy for Ethereum. I'm happy for Bitcoin. Some pullback will be needed. Otherwise, not going to be good, right? We don't even have to pull back strong. We just need to pull back a little bit. Maybe move sideways. Get a red day going. Because, bro, it seems like it's a record. It's like 10 green days, 9 green days in a row in Bitcoin. Let's check this real quick, and then we'll do X rune, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 green days in a row, bro. That is insane. I don't think I've seen 10 days in a row in Bitcoin. Not 10 green days, though. That is pretty freaking wild. Right. So, all these ales are making you horny for corn. Bro, what? You and May are drinking? That's pretty good, man. I can't drink still, man. I can't drink still. I'll be able to drink Wednesday. That's pretty good. Right, so I just want to make sure I got the right X rune. That is it. All right, we'll do X rune, and it was against... what was this against? Tether. All right, we'll do that one. Right. That don't have X rune to the dollar. I have it against wrapped Ethereum, right? There's a keyword to drink. All right, it's either legendary, divergence, bullish, or bearish, something like that. I'm intrigued now. I am intrigued what your drinking game is. What word is it? I want to get you guys wasted. All right, so it's one of those three. All right, so I want to say it again. Divergence. Or bullish. Or legendary. I think it was legendary, man. If I found the word, dude, you guys are gonna be in so much trouble, man. You guys are gonna get wasted tonight. Can I do it? Yeah, I'll put in the list, man. I'll put in the list. I was gonna do it's already in the list. I'll do it when I get to it, right? Let's do X Rune. Or guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure which word. Right, X Rune, it doesn't have a lot of data here. What I can do is throw some fibs at it on the daily and try to see where it's at. So let's get some Fibonacci's out here. High point to the low point, see where we are retracing to. We got above that 236, and now it looks as though we're going for that 382. We rejected it once, right? We know he's too big now. No, I read the Discord, man. I just have not checked general or anything like that. Oh, bro. Oh, man, I gotta figure out. All right. Ha! I got it. I didn't know it was there, man. I thought they agreed on it on the side. I had not looked at the Discord before the stream started, just for the coins. But divergence, there we go. Divergence is the drinking word, by the way, guys. Anyways, we are going down, coming down, and down. So nothing here that is bearish right now. There's not a lot of data on the MACD or the RSI. There's also nothing that is bullish. We're trying to get above that 236 and heading for that 382. Now, bro, it's all good. Someone go edit the game work. Yeah, you guys have to agree on it off the thing here, man, because you guys are gonna get wasted. Lower negative momentum to more negative momentum, and a low to a lower point, right? So, right, X Rune is creating some hidden divergence, right? Hidden bearish, and that is putting that pressure on the price and not allowing him to rally higher right now. All this tells me is that we're just gonna consolidate a bit before we try to move. We have this against the MACD and the RSI, so it's hidden bearish divergence. Moving down a bit, we could go and hit that 20. We could keep on moving sideways. The 20 will catch up to us eventually, and we'll probably try to get a bounce going on there. It's at 0.00006 wrapped Ethereums, right? No, not too bad, not too bad. Let's go to that 1 hour chart and see if we can do something here, man. Baby shark, all right. Baby shark. That's fine. Oh, and you guys are crazy, dude. Low to high, and low to high. High to low, man. Look at this. High to low. Man, that is crazy, man. That was a pretty good. That's a pretty good stream so far. Gavin, dude, I'm glad that you're here, man. Not because of donations. I'm just glad to see you here, man. I'm glad to see you're okay and hear you're okay again. And that is freaking cool. Thank you for stopping by and being part of the stream again. That's freaking awesome. Let's go here higher. And all right. We had strong bearish divergence bringing us down. Hidden bullish divergence helping us move sideways. And when we join this hidden bullish divergence with the hidden divergence that we have on the 4 hour, the bearish divergence, it's making us move sideways a bit, right? So on the 1 hour, it's also neutral at 53.60. Right now, let's say it has that potential to move sideways. We are above the 20 moving average from the 1 hour chart and trying to get a bounce there. If we bounce, targeting should be at 0.000072, and if we drop, we should be targeting 0.00055, right? Wrap Ethereums. That is where X Rune could be going. Dude, thank you very much for that. And let's roll on to Binance. What is happening with the Binance? Like the smash button. Yes. Bell to hit. Right. Binance bearish divergence to some extent, right? We're still having that hidden divergence. And although we popped and hit that higher area at 343, we rejected it. And we also rejected 336. So it's not very, very strong. And like I said, it could be because a lot of people park their money on Binance, so they're able to buy. They buy and sell on Binance. So they're able to get better fees, and that's why sometimes we see crypto pump, but we don't get Binance to pump, right? So let's check out XRP. By the way, guys, if you are still making profit, type 1 on the chat. If you are taking a hit and you're losing money, type 2 on the chat. I'm wondering who's still in the green, who's starting to turn red. Let's check out that XRP, man. Right, so Jake's still in the green. That is awesome. Scrooge is also on the Scrog. It's also on the right. Juan in the chat. Yeah. Right. So let's keep going. XRP on the daily. Bullishness pumping still below 76.33, facing as resistance, not able to get above it. And we're consolidating right now. We could say it's looking like it's upsloping consolidation here, right? If we go here, look at this, is going up. How do we know it's upsloping? Well, yeah, it goes like this, right? It's upsloping. So those consolidations tend to break down. The only reason that this could go higher is if Bitcoin starts to pump and it just catches some of that bullishness. Bought at 66.30. With that, we're starting to move sideways on the RSI, meaning we're not really looking for some sharp move to the upside right now. Also not to the downside by looking at the RSI, but we are bought and we're starting to move sideways. It would be nice to get an indication as to where this is pointing. It looks more or less sideways. If it was pointing up, we'd still know we could still be going green. Pointing down, we knew it could still be going red, but we'll see. We'll see. Type 1. Yeah, type 1. Right. Right. We are bought. So let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. Dude, it's a good stream today. It's a good stream. It's a fun stream. Plus, people made a drinking game. That's a good idea, man. That was a good idea, May. Drinking when I say a word. I don't think I'll be able to ever play that game here on the stream because I'll be getting freaking wasted. High to low, high to low, and high to low. Bought at 65.10. Let's go to the 1-hour chart on the 1 hour, man. Any divergence in XRP and Bitcoin? We're checking XRP right now. High to low, and high to low. Nothing here that is bearish. Hidden bullish divergence. That's the reason that we're getting that rally happening here, but it's failing to get higher than the previous high, right? So not what we want to see. We want to see it getting higher than the previous high. This is just showing that it's lacking some strength. We have this divergence against the MACD and the RSI, right? So it's not that XRP cannot pump. It could. But right now, it doesn't look like it wants to pump. That rejection, that resistance at 75 cents, 76.33, is not allowing it to go higher. It either needs to pull back down a bit, hit that 20 moving average, and then try to run again. And it would not be bad, right? That is precisely what we were talking about with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was just very close to that 41,000 mark. It couldn't get above it. It couldn't get above it. It couldn't get above it until it pulled back down a little bit, and then boom, right? It just rammed right through it. And that is what we want to see happen. I'll still have ADA to go and Ren, but before I move on to those, we are going to go back to the Bitcoin real quick. 43,099. Look at that. See, we're struggling with this area, 40,900, right? I'm able to get above this zone. We pulled back down today. Right, look at the 3 in the morning. Boom, moved back down and really found that traction to get going. And we had hidden divergence on the 4-hour chart. That's where we're pumping. Now we're starting to build some bearish divergence, but like I said, it is the first island of positive momentum that we're building. This island could go on building. Yes, we do get times where like we just made one island like we did here, go back to negative. That would not be weird, but with the movements in the market and how bullish things are, we could still be looking for action to the upside. Just take into consideration that's going to be the weekend, and usually volume dies down a little bit. Unless there's some insane movement happening, volume tends to slow down on the weekend. So, Bitcoin on the daily. We'll go check out the volume real quick here on this chart. Right, look at the volume. was more than yesterday, which is fine. It's still lower than a couple days ago. So we are still going higher and we're losing on that volume. That is creating divergence against the volume as well. Jeffrey, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
And who else? Right, so I'm just gonna check this Bitcoin chart as well. Check that volume. I was really worried about this volume here because it was very, very little volume. And we're getting into the decision candle. I was thinking actually downside. We did move down. That's fine. Recovered with a lot of volume, right? That is fairly good. So let's go check out ADA. ADA. ADA at $1.32, man. Right? So high to low and low to high. Usual 55.54. Some bearish divergence hidden. Potential fraction to the downside. Still rejecting $1.40. We did wick close to it. We're still rejecting that zone and nothing else happening here that is bullish. So we're struggling with the hidden bearish divergence. And that could be because ADA, what we have seen so far is that ADA takes a little bit longer to pump than Bitcoin. And see what happened here? Remember what I told you guys? We're breaking out here. We could do a U-turn. Backtest. We've kind of backtested, but we failed to bounce. And that we dropped. Now we're backtesting again, which is not good. It's basically invalidating the triangle that we're looking for, right? We know that this could still hold support. We'll see. We'll see if that's going to hold support. I think this is a pattern we're looking at. So are we doing something here? High to low, positive, less positive, and high low. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 58.66. Still pointing up on the RSI, so it's not too bad. And let's go to the 1 hour chart. We're looking for some bearish divergence hidden. We no longer have it. So that is fine. We got rid of that. Now we're going slightly higher, going more positive momentum and higher still. With that, we're still making nothing right now. That's pretty good. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower. Still nothing bullish, nothing bearish for ADA. It just means it could go either way, man. It could go either way. So let's go and check. Let's go and check REN. Because ADA is not really clear, man. It looks as though it wants to pump, but it is still on that consolidation zone. It needs to really get out of here and start moving up a little bit more so we can start getting some of that retrace to happen. Here, for some reason, we don't have that large wick to that $1.40, so it could be bad data on the daily, right? Because here it says that yesterday we got very close to it. On the 4 hour, we don't have that move, right? So it's all good. Let's go and check. Let's go and check. REN. The REN, man. What is happening? Where is REN? I know I've looked at it. Alright, so we're going. Ah, that's why. We got shifted places. Sneaky REN. Some of you guys said that REN is doing really good, so we'll check. You have spoken. We will check. So, guys, by the way, if you're enjoying the content, remember the State of Crypto is going to become the most awesome crypto channel out there. We cannot do it without your help, and we need your help hitting the like. That's it. Hit the like, hit the bell. If you want to sub, that is awesome. If you don't, that's fine. But hitting the like is free, and you can always hit the like. And all the information that we provide here is free. It's for entertainment purposes and education. And if you feel like you're getting either entertained or educated, make sure you hit the like, right? It's just gonna take a second, and it's the most awesome thing you can do for anyone that's either streaming or producing content and you kind of like what they're doing. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. Let's keep checking REN on the daily. Bullish divergence, pumping, nothing bearish. Bought at 68.05. Yesterday pumping 10%. Today pumping 2%. Not too bad, man. How much has it rallied from down here? 54%. That is a pretty mighty rally. 54% since July the 21st. Like 9 days ago, right? Boom. Crazy, man. Right, let's get onto that 4-hour chart. Low to high, and low to high. Nothing bearish here either. This is a beast that you go rallying. It's just overbought at 78.02. With that, yes, there's a possibility that we could try to cool off on that oscillator. We've done a bit, but look at how much volume look at how much volume is trading on this 4-hour chart. It's insane how much volume is trading. Look at compared to everywhere else we've been. Have not gotten this much volume in a long time for red. Look, it's here. I've not gotten this much volume since back here, May 19th. That is a lot of volume being traded on this project, man. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, going higher, right? Higher. Higher and higher. Overbought at 79.31. I don't think there's anything bearish. I'm just gonna double check. But we're gonna check for bullishness also. GS, what is up? Thank you for being here, man. There we go. Going back up above, it's like I said, overbought at 79.32. So still could go higher. It is overbought. It could still go higher on that overbought scale. But usually what we want to see is pull back down a bit, cool off, and then run up again. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. I mean, it could still go on running. Hidden bullish divergence is the last thing we have. And that's it for this project, man. Our side's good. MACD is good. We have checked the, what? Right. I was gonna mess around with him, May, or whoever got him. May, dude, May's like a sniper. He's been drinking. He's just sniping comments left and right. Jeez. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, you're still using the same word, right? Divergence. You guys have to drink. You gave him chances earlier? That's fine. All right, Bitcoin. It's trying to hold. It's trying to hold, man. It needs to get above 40,900, right? 40,996. That's the area that we want to get above, man. Getting over that area is gonna be good. 4-hour, right? Bearishness. 1 hour. It's not that bad. Nothing happening on the 1 hour. It's looking good. Kind of blaze. Bearish is a bull trap. No, bearish is just bearish. Just like bullish is bullish. Just because you're bullish does not necessarily mean bear trap. Or just because you're bearish does not necessarily mean bull trap. Uni? Alright. Do you put that one on the Discord? Alright. Oh, sorry, bro. That's cool. Oh, I hadn't seen Uni, bro. Thanks, man. Let's go check out Uni. Looking for the book flag forming. Yeah, it's starting to form a flag. We don't know yet what kind of flag we're gonna make. We just moved up and we're starting to consolidate. That is fine. Oh, Kent Todd, good today. Right. High to low, and low to high. Uni on the daily is creating bearish divergence that is strong. And with that, we're looking for some potential action to the downside. Sorry, not strong. Hidden bearish divergence. What did I say? Ignore that thing I said a couple minutes ago and just say hidden bearish divergence. Right? That's fine. Don't have it against the MACD, just against the RSI. Bought at 62.53. Looks as though we're starting to point slightly sideways, right? Sorry, still going up. So with that, it means that we can still be looking for action to the upside here on Uni, right? It's not too bad. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. DCA will always win the game. Yeah. Destroy that, which destroys you. Right. That's an interesting thing to say. So if you destroy what destroys you, you're automatically immune. It means you're saved. Right, dude. Low to high and high to low, right? This bought at 69.53. Bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. DCA, dollar cost average. Yeah, dollar cost average. So on this last bit, we are creating this bearish divergence, right, for action to the downside against the MACD. We might start to get some kind of pressure on the price. We need to pump and get above this previous area for this divergence to no longer be there, right? So, getting bullish. Helping us to rally, strong bearish now developing with that potential for action to the downside. Cold drink, drink cold out. What the hell? That is, yeah, it's not, I don't think that flies, man. Right, so I did promise a short stream. I am gonna keep my word. I have a headache, so although it's been an awesome stream, I'm gonna be calling it early tonight. Oh man, May, you need to get another drink. All right, you guys can keep on drinking, man. My head is gonna explode. So I'm gonna get going, and I'll sign off and catch you guys tomorrow, I guess. Bitcoin's still doing good. Market's doing great. Gotta take advantage of that so I can go and rest up a little bit and try to get my head good again. So guys, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, and hit the sub, right? So do those awesome things and great things will happen. Now, if you like the content that we produce here, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. The most awesome channel that we're building is because of you, and you can bring more people in, and that's just gonna make it even more awesome. So all the information that we provide is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Like I said, all for entertainment and educational purposes only. Yes, 9 p.m. Central tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Producto Jonathan, Pulse Flags, Jorge, Panda, May, Screwed, Lakvir Hehar, Don Juan, Jake, Gavin. Thank you all guys for coming in here. Mr. Flags, thank you for being here as well. Preparing for war, thank you for being here, man. And on that note, Kato Eno, thank you for being here as well. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then, guys.